Shut your goofy ass up, dog.
If someone handed me unlimited cash instead, you're set for life.
Bitch, I'm gone.
Evaporated. Vanished.
You wouldn't even see my pixelated shadow.
Like, be for real, money might not buy happiness, but bills?
Gone.
Therapy? Nah, I'm buying a trampoline.
Launching myself into the sky like my problems can't jump that high.
Mental health?
Still trash. But now I'm crying while eating noodles with extra cheese on a floating bed in a pool somewhere, stupid rich.
And don't come in my comments talking about
Money doesn't solve everything, bro.
you still using your school Chromebook to type. Go eat a broccoli.
Before I throw a Styracosaurus at you.
No friends? Good, more room in the hot tub. No love life? I sleep with my wallet and it never leaves me on read, it even folds for me.
I don't need deep quotes, bro. I need deep tubs, unlimited snacks,
And a personal movie theater in my big-ass mansion that
plays videos
Those of raccoons doing parkour.
or some brain rot while chilling.
money won't change you.
Nah, bitch.
It'll upgrade me from mentally exhausted to mentally exhausted, but now I'm wearing goggles in a bathtub full of chocolate milk yelling, I'm rich, at a pigeon in sunglasses.
Say,
Money can't buy happiness again, and I'm throwing a raptor at you yelling,
Wrong.